Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. This is my subject today, and I have another image I made by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges. And while turn this one off, I don't know if I'm going to use that image or not. And this is the subject. I'm gonna work on watercolor image from this. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna paint it on this layer with watercolor brush. This time, watercolor wash flat first. On skin tone, I painted on mid-tone first. On maybe side of the nose. Shadow and little, well, just a touch around here and about here. Okay, I'm gonna tone this one down. Okay, yeah, this much. Okay, and a little bit darker side, a little more, just a touch red in it. A little small, and the shadow of the nose. Okay, go for water to blend in. You're going to know if it's too dark or. Okay, now change the brush to wash soft. Let's see, I'm gonna blend in just a touch more. I'm gonna use the eraser tool. Well, soft around opacity, then a little bit lighten up this highlight side. Oops, this one. Okay, now I'm gonna I'm gonna add another layer, then her eyes and lips with the, just a little bit toned down so I can see more. Pretty much sharp eyebrow she has. Okay, now nice. Well, I'm going to add some different color on eye, maybe blue eye or something. Okay, now I'm going to add some okay, now I blue eyes, soft round, valuable. Now I'm gonna add lips. Eyeshadow, I'm gonna add another layer, then I'm gonna merge down later. Eyeshadow goes real soft, so watercolor wash flat, and what color is good? Maybe blue water again, a little bit dark. This I'm gonna just play with. I don't know, just leave it here. That's the way, and I'm gonna merge down. Okay, let's see. Now here, I'm gonna put, well, some kind of blonde type color, maybe a little bit goldish first. I'm gonna use that round detail again, and I'm gonna add another layer for here, highlight side, a little bit big. Okay, now brown, a little bit dark. Then change the watercolor, wash flat. Once dry, then a little dark side. Alright, nice ooze here. Okay, I'm gonna paint, add layer, then use that wash flat again, a little bit this time big, and bluer base. Okay, now turn this one down. Make some. Okay, march down this. Let's see, I gotta check that highlight. So use eraser tool again. And brush. On this makeup cheek, I'm gonna add some cheek color here. This is strange here. I'm gonna erase this. Okay, I'm gonna add some. Oh, that's too much water, huh? Well, do it again. It's kind of messy now. Oh, well. Now, round detail again, and a little bit dark. Maybe this much. Okay, I'm gonna march down. Okay, now, well, let's see. It's kind of settled, but better than before, I think. Okay, I'm gonna add layer, and let's draw some costume. I'm gonna put highlight first, then go shadow and blend in on this layer. That's all for edge, and highlight here a little bit more big. Okay, I'm gonna go real dark, pretty dark. dark area, light area. Add the layer and put shadow, dark shadow here. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, I'm gonna merge down. Let's see. Okay, I got it. I'm gonna add layer here. Then I'm gonna add a real nice shadow of her behind. Let's see. Even though I'm not expected this way, but let's see it. I'm going to change some color later. Okay, create empty mask, then invert mask. Now reveal with painting to dry Cezanne 2. Now just check this shadow layer, change the blend mode, linear burn, and let me add some maybe brownish color on this layer. I want to change this color. Well, color burn kind of interesting. Okay, in that case, I'm gonna change the background. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one turned off, then add layer. Then I'm gonna make some other different background color later. Now I'm gonna just review this. Touch more. Now let's see. I'm gonna make another background on this here, right? Some interesting cloudy background. Again, I'm gonna do the same way to add some. Then change the brush, wash soft to make some cloudy background. Now I'm going to change the blend mode, linear burn, it subtracts, so color wise this is linear burn. Then I'm going to add different color. I guess blue is kind of. Okay, now I'm gonna hide soft round. Okay, real soft smoothing. I just don't like this texture. I'm gonna review once more. So okay, now review with mixer brush, softy mixer. This is kind of soft touch. Make it a little more texture, maybe Let's see, change the brush. Well, Monet mixer. It's not that soft, huh? Well. Let me change to, well, let's try. This is cloudy look too. Okay, I'm gonna use this wet brush too. Make bigger. I want to see change blend mode on. Okay, here goes to color burn, makeup, linear burn. Now skin tone. Oh, this is okay, normal. Then costume. This is normal now. Vivid light. Opacity down to 78. Okay. Now go back to reveal with same wet brush too. Maybe hide some, and I'm gonna touch up this. Just touch add here. Well, I guess that's it for this image. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys support, and have a nice day guys, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.